Welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to create a realistic shadow of product to make your ads or mockups look professional. Open your product image and remove the background. Duplicate the product layer and use transform tool to skew align it under the product. Apply blur for softness. Lower opacity to around 40%. Add layer mask and softly erase edges for the shadow. Duplicate the shadow layer for a deeper effect. Use soft brush to print extra light under the objects. Create a new layer set to overlay for reflected light. Adjust opacity for balance and add subtle gradient on background for realism. Group layers to keep organized. Thanks for watching.